Hey everyone, this is Mama from Blessing by Design. Today I'm going to help you get started with your new digital planner on the Android OS in the Xodo app on a Samsung Galaxy tablet S7 Plus. I'm opening a gold deluxe planner from our store. But whatever planner you're using and whichever Android device you have doesn't really matter. But if you're on Android OS and using the Xodo app for your digital planner, then this video is for you. So let's get started. I'm going to walk through downloading the digital planner and working with it from a backup cloud account so that it's on all of your devices. On blessingbydesign.com, you'll find these steps on our support page by clicking on Digital Planner Support. The steps are right here, but I'm going to walk you through them just now. We also have a video for when you're just going to use it on a single device that you can just watch that video. After you purchase the planner, but before you download the file, you need to do two things first. First, you need to go to the Google Play Store and find the Xodo PDF Reader and Editor, and you want to install this app. Second, you need a backup cloud account for storing and for accessing your planner file in the Xodo app. If you have a Gmail account, you're going to have a Google Drive account with your free Gmail email. And so you're going to want to set that up. When I set up this Samsung device using my Gmail email, my Google Drive is all ready to be used. You can also use a OneDrive account. Another app that you can use is Dropbox. And Dropbox is also available on the Google Play Store. And it's another free option just like Google Drive. These accounts can easily be set up, so make sure you have one of these accounts available first. Now, after you purchase the planner, you're going to get a download link in your email that when you click on it will open in a browser this page, and you'll have a download now button. So you're going to tap the download now is going to start to download. Now I'm going to want to go to My Files. My Files is the orange little circle with a white folder. So on the Samsung device, it's on My Files. And if I click on Downloads here, I can now see my planner file that I just downloaded. Now I'm going to show you that we have options to move this file to either a OneDrive or a Google Drive. Now, if you're using Dropbox to store your planner file, you're going to need to actually copy it to Dropbox. And the way to do that is to click and hold so that you get this yellow check circle, and then you're going to tap on Share. And you get these choices right here, and you want to add to Dropbox. I already have the location set up. It will give you the option of where to put it. And I'm going to say add to Dropbox. Now, if I come over here to my Dropbox app, I will see that it was copied over here, the 2021 gold. I know I have a whole bunch of other planners in here, but the gold was not in here yet. So we added the gold to the Dropbox. So it actually just copied it over there. But as you can tell, it's still in my download folder. So if I moved it to Dropbox, I would then want to delete it from my downloads because I want to open the file from Dropbox, not from my download. Now, for those of you who are going to use a Google Drive account, you select it, and instead of share, you just click on move. And then you have the option of these network drives to the left here. And you can either, if you're using a OneDrive, you could select that. And we're going to put it on Google Drive. And I have to tap move it to here. Now this may take a little bit longer for it to move to the Google Drive than it did to copy over to Dropbox. But when it moves the file from downloads, you wouldn't need to then delete it from the downloads, if that makes sense. Only on Dropbox, you have to go back and remove it because it had made a copy of it. You don't want more than one copy of your planner. That could get confusing to you. You want one copy, and you need to store it in one place, and both devices need to have the same Google Drive account or OneDrive account or Dropbox account that they're linked to. So right now it's moving to Google Drive. Okay, it's all done. Now it's showing up in my Google Drive files. Next, I'm going to go into Xodo, and through this little hamburger icon up at the top left of Xodo is where I can open a planner file from Dropbox, from Google Drive or OneDrive. I'm going to open the one on Google Drive. And there you have your planner ready to use. Now, what's important for you to understand is that I want to access that file from Google Drive on my phone as well as my tablet. To show you how that works, I'm just going to go to a random week. How about Saturday, January 9th? I'm going to make a notation here. Have a party. Okay. Check that off. Okay. So on January 9th, 2021, we're going to have a party. All right. So now I'm going to close the document off my tablet. I'm going into my phone now, into the Xodo app, and I'm going to click on that little hamburger icon in the top left where I can access where I can open a file from. And I'm going to want to open the file from Google Drive. And there it is. It's the Gold Deluxe Digital Planner. And now I'm going to go to January 9th. And that's where we had written have a party. So it is synced to my phone because I opened it from the same place. After you've opened it once there, if you look in recent files, it's going to say, here is the planner that's on the Google Drive. If you save it in a Dropbox, it's going to just say in a cloud account. But the one that's on Google Drive will show up right there. And now if I use my little S Pen that came with my phone, I can write okay on the phone, like so. Come back to my tablet. So I want to go into Xodo, Google Drive. Sometimes if you do it too quickly, it may not show up right away. So if you give it a minute. And I cross my fingers. And there's where I marked it on the phone. And that's where I scribbled on the phone. So they are synced. Everything I do on the phone, everything I do on the tablet. The key to it is always opening it from the Google Drive, which you can get going through Google Drive again, or it should be when you open in recent documents. If it says it's opening the one from Google Drive, it should have synced it. Whew. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate if you can like it and subscribe to our channel, comment if you have any questions, and go check out our digital planners. Have a great day and be blessed.